Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital IT Lab. In this video, I will show you how to configure IPsec between two domain controllers using group policy in Windows Server. For this lab, we have domain name called digitalitlab.local. DC-01 has IP address 192.168.2.4. DC-02 has IP address 192.168.2.5. We will configure IPsec so that all traffic between these two domain controllers is encrypted and authenticated. Let's get started. Before creating the policy, let's verify a few things. First, both domain controllers have static IPs assigned. Check network property of each domain controller. Go to second domain controller. You can see that both domain controllers have static IPs. Now go to first domain controller. Second, verify the following services must be running and set to automatic. Open services. You can see that both services are running and set to automatic. Now close this window. Third one is both servers are already part of the domain controller's organizational unit. Fourth one is time is synchronized correctly because Kerberos authentication will fail if the time difference is more than 5 minutes. Now let's create a new group policy object for IPsec. Open Server Manager. Go to Tools. Click on Group Policy Management. Right click on your domain. Select create a GPO in this domain and link it here. Give it a name. Click OK. Now right click on the GPO. Select Edit. Navigate to Computer Configuration. Open Policies. Open Windows Settings. Open Security Settings. Open Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. Expand Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. Again expand Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. Open Connection Security Rules. Now right click here. Select New Rule. Select Server-to-Server. Click Next. For endpoint 1, leave as any IP address. For endpoint 2, select these IP addresses. Click on Add. Now add the both domain controller's IP address. Click OK. Again click on Add. Type second domain controller's IP. Click OK. This way the rule applies on both servers. Click Next. Select required authentication for inbound and outbound connections. Click Next. For authentication, select Advanced. Click on Customize. Click on Add. Select Computer Kerberos v5. Click OK. Click OK. Click on Next. Choose Domain Profile. Click Next. Give the role a name like click on Finish. The role is created. Now close GPO editor. Now open Windows PowerShell. Run this command on both domain controllers. Go to second domain controller. Open Windows PowerShell. Run this command. You can also confirm that the GPO is applied using this command. You can verify that the GPO is applied successfully. Now let's check if IPsec is working. Go to first domain controller. Run this command. Press enter. Now from second domain controller, test connection to DC-01. Go to second domain controller. Run this command. Press enter. To check security association, open Windows Defender Firewall. Expand monitoring. Expand security associations. Open main mode. You can see the entries here. Open quick mode. Also here. Now go to first domain controller DC-01. Open Windows Defender Firewall. Check for security associations. Expand monitoring. Expand security associations. Open main mode. Now open quick mode. If you see these entries on both domain controllers, it means IPsec is successfully established. You can also use these commands to verify. Go to Windows PowerShell. Run this command. Press enter. Now run this command. Press enter. Now go to DC-02, second domain controller. Open Windows PowerShell. Run same command on DC-02. Press enter. Now again run this command. Press enter. Now let's talk about some common issues. If Kerberos fails, check that system time is synchronized. Ensure DNS is working correctly between the servers. If you have a third-party firewall in between, make sure UDP port 500 and 4500 are not blocked. That's it, we have successfully configured IPsec between two domain controllers using group policy. This ensures that all domain controller application and communication is now encrypted and secured. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Windows Server and security tutorials. Thanks for watching. This is Zubair. See you in the next video.